Hi all, this is Misty with Digital Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a Google Slide template and use it as a text message activity with your students. So I've already got the template built here. We will be sharing this out, so stay tuned. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by adding some simple shapes. So right here in the shape option, I'm going to go to shapes and then I'm going to pick this second rounded corner squarish rounded rectangle-y shape. And I'm just going to draw one right there on my picture. It's going to default to gray, so I'm going to come up here to the toolbar and I'm going to change the fill color. I've already got my custom color here, so I'm going to select that. It matches the blue of my arrow right here. And then I'm going to change the trim to transparent. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my message. Now, it doesn't fit, so I need to do some tweaking. So I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to shrink the font size down, and then I'm also going to change it to white so that it looks more like a text message. Alright, there we go. That's slide 1. Now I'm going to come up here to slide, and I'm going to say duplicate slide. And I'm going to do the same thing. Come up here to shape, pick the rounded rectangle, and draw my shape. Now, for this one, I'm going to leave it this default gray color. I'm just going to come up here and take the lining, the edging off so that it's transparent. And I'm going to go ahead and type my response. And again, I need to format my text. I'm going to shrink that down to 9. I'm going to leave it black. And then I'm going to resize my shape a little bit so that all my words will fit. There we go. Alright, slides 1 and 2 are done. And if I want to tweak anything, I can. I can always just resize the shapes of my box. Alright, gonna continue on, duplicate my slide. This time though, I'm just gonna select here and hit Command C or Control C, depending on the type of device I'm on, and then Command or Control V, and copy and paste that box so I don't have to make another one from scratch. And then I'm going to resize to make sure everything's visible. Okay. Repeat. As you can see, I've jumped ahead a little bit, but I am still just practicing that same thing, duplicating the slide, copying and pasting boxes. So I'm going to do that one more time here. And I'm going to show you, because my screen's full, what I need to do is I'll delete this box and then move these boxes up. And then I can add my new box. Okay, I'm going to add one last slide. So I'm going to duplicate my slide. And again, because my screen is full, I'm going to start out by deleting this top one. And then I'm going to move, oops, not that. I'm going to move this box up. And I'm going to insert one last response. In this case though, I'm actually going to insert an emoji, and to do that I just searched for transparent background emojis. There are different websites, but I'm just using Google search. I already found one that I liked, and I'm going to bring it over from my desktop and pop it in. I am going to need to resize it. That's all I have to do, and I'm going to pop it in here. And there we go. Now, When I'm ready to share this with my teacher, turn it in, I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web. And I'm going to say auto advance the slides every 2 seconds and start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. Now that I've done that, I can take this link and copy and share that with my teacher and show you what it'll look like. Here we go. So there you have it. There is how you can use a Google Slide template to have mock text conversations. This could be used by partners where one partner is the blue text messages and one partner is the gray text messages, and they are actually guessing. This could be used by one student to share characteristics of an item or a character traits. There are a lot of different ways that you could use something like this with your students. If you're interested in trying this and still aren't really sure how to get started, please feel free to reach out to a member of Digital Learning. We'd be happy to talk to you about how you could use a template like this with your students. Thanks!